Does the car model affect electric car insurance? If you are curious about how the model of your electric vehicle impacts your insurance costs, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the facts to help you understand this better. Yes, the specific car model does play a significant role in determining the cost of insuring an electric vehicle. Insurance premiums for electric vehicles can vary widely based on the make and model. This is due to several factors, including the vehicle's purchase price, repair costs, and the availability of parts. Generally, electric vehicles tend to cost more to insure than traditional gas-powered cars. On average, you might find that electric vehicle insurance is about 20% higher. This increase is mainly because electric vehicles are often more expensive to buy and repair. When it comes to how the car model influences insurance costs, more expensive or luxury electric vehicle models usually have higher premiums. For instance, insuring a Tesla Model X can cost more than double the monthly premium of a more affordable electric vehicle like the Volkswagen ID4. Additionally, electric vehicles from manufacturers that also produce gas vehicles, such as Ford and Volkswagen, tend to have lower insurance rates. This could be due to better availability of parts and repair expertise compared to brands that focus solely on electric vehicles, like Tesla or Rivian. Models that requiring higher repair costs or have specialized technology typically come with higher insurance premiums. Insurance companies also take into account the specific model's safety features, repair history, and theft rates when setting premiums. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some practical examples of monthly insurance costs by model. The Volkswagen ID4 has an average insurance cost of around $241. The Ford F-150 Lightning is about $251, while the Chevrolet Bolt electric utility vehicle is approximately $274. On the higher end, the Tesla Model 3 costs about $422, and the Tesla Model X can reach around $522. These examples illustrate how the choice of model can directly impact insurance costs. When you are shopping for insurance quotes, it is essential to compare offers from different insurers. This is because insurance providers can vary in their rates for the same electric vehicle models. You might also find discounts available for electric vehicles, such as bundling policies or safe driving discounts, which can help offset those higher premiums. Additionally, some states or local governments offer tax credits or rebates that can indirectly reduce the total cost of owning and insuring an electric vehicle. While hybrids generally cost less to insure than full electric vehicles due to smaller batteries and simpler repairs, they still tend to be more expensive than traditional gas vehicles. In summary, the model of your electric vehicle is a key factor in determining insurance costs. When you are comparing quotes, keep in mind how the specific model affects premiums. This way, you can find the best rate for your electric vehicle insurance.